In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Slack and maintain a productive workspace. Let's face it, sometimes there are individuals whose messages or presence can be more of a distraction than a help. In those cases, knowing how to effectively manage your Slack workspace can greatly increase your productivity and sanity. So let's get started on this step-by-step guide to keeping your Slack interactions efficient and positive. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your direct messages. Open up Slack and head to the section where you have direct conversations with the person you wish to block. This is your starting point and sets the stage for all the actions we'll be taking next. It's important to identify this area accurately so you don't apply these actions to the wrong contact. Next, direct your attention to the top of this conversation window. You'll notice there are several icons and menus. Look for the More Actions menu. This is typically represented by 3 dots or a similar icon depending on your version of Slack. Clicking here will open up a list of additional options, which is where you'll find the commands you'll need to carry out our task. Now, from the options that appear, consider choosing Hide. By selecting this option, you are essentially taking a step that will shield interactions with this person from cluttering your workspace. It's a gentle way to remove the conversation from immediate view while maintaining the possibility of accessing it later if needed. This step is crucial as it balances eliminating immediate disturbances without permanent actions. Following that, there will be an option to hide this person. Clicking on this will confirm your decision to make the contact less visible within your Slack environment. Essentially, this step ensures that this person's messages and notifications won't be directly interfering with your workspace, allowing you to focus on more pertinent matters. Although this doesn't technically block them in the traditional sense, it provides a way to streamline your working interface. Now you've learned how to thoughtfully and effectively manage your interactions on Slack. While these actions don't prevent someone entirely from contacting you, they do help create a focused environment by reducing distractions. Remember, the aim is to preserve a workspace that fosters productivity and peace, ensuring your Slack remains a tool that works for you and not against you. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and remember to check out other tips and tutorials for optimizing your Slack and other productivity tools. Thanks for tuning in today, and keep making those workspaces work wonders.